Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running a WordPress site and want an easy way to track your traffic, connect Google services, and boost performance today, today's video is for you. We are diving into how to use Google Sitekit, Google's official WordPress plugin that connects your site with tools like Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, and more, all in one place. Sitekit is an all-in-one plugin by Google that gives you insights from multiple Google tools directly in your WordPress dashboard. It supports Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Google AdSense, Page Speed Insights Tag Manager, and Google Optimize. So instead of jumping between tabs, you get an unified view of how your site is performing. Let's start by installing it. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. From WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins section, then search in the search bar, type Sitekit by Google. Then click Enter. Select one from here. Click Install and upgrade and activate it. You will see a new menu on the left called Sitekit. Click that to begin setup. Now it's time to connect your Google account. Click on Startup. Sign in with your Google account. Allow Sitekit to access your data. Verify site ownerships. If you haven't already, Sitekit handles it automatically. Connect a Search Console. Once done, Sitekit will confirm that Search Console data is now connected. You will start seeing search traffic and keyword data in your dashboard. You can contact other tools like Google Analytics, AdSense, and Page Speed Insights next. Click on Connect More Services. Choose Analytics. Sign in with your Google account. Select the property or create a new one. Click Configure Analytics. Same steps, go for AdSense and Page Speed Insights. For Page Speed, it simply fetches data from Google's Page Speed tool and shows you performance insights. Pro tips: if you use Google Tag Manager or Optimize, those can be added to under Connect More Services. Once everything's connected, your Sitekit dashboard becomes a data hub. See traffic sources. Most popular pages track search keywords from Search Console. Monitor earnings if AdSense is enabled. Check mobile and description performance from Page Speed Insights. You can also visit individual module pages like Search Console or Analytics for deeper insights. You can also visit individual module pages like Search Console or Analytics for deeper insights. Here's why Sitekit is amazing. It simplifies your workflow. You get reliable data straight from Google. It's free and built by Google. No code needed for setup. Keeps your WordPress site light and optimized. It's perfect for bloggers, freelancers, agencies, pretty much anyone managing a site. So that's your quick guide to using Google Site Kit for WordPress. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress and SEO tutorial, and comment below if you want a deep dive into any specific tool inside SiteKit. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.